Sir, do you like butter chicken? Do you liking butter chicken? Yesing or knowing? Just questioning, I'm doing something. Like butter chicken, like you're having like curry, like India something?
Thank you.
Oh, okay, fuck it.
My friend, please, whatever you are doing, do not interrupt my class.
Sorry, nothing to seeing here. I would never doing such a thing. You guys wanting? Okay.
You have to look at the left and at the right.
Eat it well and mix it up. Ding dong. What the fuck will come to your door and give it to you one? You like in that word? Okay, I'm getting egoed.